In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Hubstaff in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're just getting started with Hubstaff or you've been using it for some time, it's always a good idea to ensure you have the latest features and improvements at your fingertips. Keeping your software current not only enhances functionality, but also tightens security. So let's dive right in and see how seamlessly you can update Hubstaff on your desktop. First things first, you'll want to launch your Hubstaff desktop app. Go ahead and open it up if you haven't already. It's crucial that you start with this because the updates we'll be checking for are specific to the desktop application itself. So, ensure that you are running the app on your computer, as this will be the platform we are updating. Once your Hubstaff app is up and running, you need to direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an icon that looks like 3 small dots. This is often referred to as the ellipsis. Clicking on this will bring up a menu with various options available. What you are looking for here is an option related to updates. It might be labeled as Check for Updates or something similar. Go ahead and click on that to see what the status is. Now, this is where you'll find out whether your Hubstaff app is up to date or if there's a shiny new version waiting for you. The system will either provide you with information about the latest update available for your Hubstaff app, or it will let you know that you already have the most recent version installed. If there is an update, there might be a brief description of the new features or improvements that are included, giving you a clear idea of what enhancements you can expect. And that's really all there is to it. This simple process ensures your software is up to date and running smoothly with the latest features and security improvements. It's a good habit to check for updates regularly, perhaps integrating it as part of your routine, especially after any major feature releases you've heard about, or if you've noticed any bugs that could likely have been addressed in newer updates. Staying up to date can prevent security vulnerabilities and ensure you're using Hubstaff to its fullest potential. So, that wraps it up for this quick guide on updating your Hubstaff desktop app. Remember, keeping your apps current is an easy step you can repeat regularly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more handy tech tips. Until next time, keep your software updated and your productivity flowing.